Hello guys, in this video we're gonna talk about NSG. NSG is nothing but a list of rules. This is used to allow or deny traffic to your virtual machines. Now security is an important aspect, especially when you expose your appliance to the outside world such as internet. Because of the tremendous attack which can happen onto your infrastructure, you need to have the right security tool in place to protect all the resources in the cloud infrastructure. So network security group is one such tool which can be used for your virtual machine to allow or deny traffic to and from your virtual machine. So let us talk about one by one what can be done. This is your virtual machine in a two different subnets, and by default in virtual networking in Azure they can communicate uh, to each other. In order to have such rules that this machine this machine cannot communicate to the other, we need to have some specific rules, and we can use one tool such as NSG over anywhere. Suppose this is our source network, this one, so we can apply here that this network cannot come and connect to this particular machine. NSG will allow you, or they have two types. The one is inbound and another one is outbound. This is just like your the firewalls available in your Windows application. So who can come in and who can go out? So you can create an inbound rule to allowing a specific groups of people or specific IPs, and you can set up a outbound rule that people from inside the subnet can go out or not, or they can connect to the specific service. So that is the one example here. Uh, as we can see in this picture, the communication, uh, and here we are using a group called NSG, so we can break the incoming and outgoing whatever is based on our requirement. Now let's take one more example for this. Is suppose this is your virtual machine 10.0.1.5. This is your virtual machine, and this is your virtual network, and this is my machine in the public network. I'm using internet to remotely connect. I'm using RDP protocol to connect to that machine. So here I can use NSG to allowing a specific IP or a specific protocol who can connect to this machine through a remote desktop. If I eh, if I do not do that and the RDP is on, that means this machine is vulnerable to the attacks. So that can be done. Here we can see. So implementing a NSG over here, implementing a NSG can help who can connect to machine or not. So this machine will be able to connect to the RDP based on the rules created on the NSG. So what other things NSG can does? As I already told you that NSG does have two types, inbound and outbound rules. Inbound who is coming to you, and outbound who is going out from your network. Uh, and then source IP and the source port number, destination IP and the destination port number can be used to create rules. We are going to discuss those in practical. Protocols, we can, like HTTP protocol is there, HTTPS is there, TCP is there, or RDP is there, or many other protocols. So it works on the protocol based or complete IP based, and priority can be defined, allow or deny rule can be done. So there are other various tools apart from NSGs, but in Cisco Azure, it's a part of Microsoft. We're gonna discuss some practical aspect of this in the coming video. Thank you.